This presentation provides an overview of the Master Spellers programs and competition that is in collaboration with Oxford University Press. It is a platform designed to enhance English language skills of students from grade 1 to grade 12. It emphasizes on vocabulary building, grammar strengthening, and pronunciation improvement, hence boosting confident communication skills of students. The Master Spellers competition is held in 4 levels. The entry point is at the first level, which is held in the month between June to October. There are 4 levels: first level quarter-finals, the semi-finals, and the grand final. The first 3 levels are held online. And the grand final is in 2 parts, round 1 and round 2. The grand final is an auditorium round in which the finalists are invited at one venue to compete with each other, and the final trophies are awarded on that day. The Master Spellers begins with your registration for the first level. Once you register, you will get the student ID and password from your registered email address. Using the SID and the password, you can now come to the website and click on Login. Enter your student ID and your password here and sign in. This will give you access to your dashboard. If you want to change your email address and phone number on which of the notifications are sent, you may click on My Profile and change it. Then click on Prep Books to download your learning resources and start preparing. Here is a screenshot of what your prep book looks like. The first page has all the details of the rounds, the duration, and the rules for marking the scores. After you are prepared using the prep book, then you need to click on Demo Test. The demo test is just like your actual test. It will have the timer on. Once you submit the test, you will get a performance report which shows your correct and incorrect answers and also your answer sheet. On your dashboard, you can click on Demo Test History where you will be able to view all the demo tests that you have done along with the correct answers. If you have exhausted your demo test and would like to subscribe for more material, then you may click on Upgrade. Once you click on Upgrade, you get unlimited demo tests and an additional prep book. You can also prepare using the word basket, which is on your dashboard. Once you click on Word Basket, you will get to see the 100 words that you are supposed to prepare. This word basket is directly connected to the Oxford Dictionary. When you click on the word, you will get to see more details about the word. Then, you need to go and book your exam slot. There are flexible slots for the students that they can select. Some schools have selected only one day, so you will get to see only that one day to select from. When you click on Book Your Exam Slot, you will see the dates that are available. You have to select the date and confirm. Once you confirm, then your Book Your Exam Slot tab will be available along with the deadline and other details on your dashboard. You can also download the Zoom link and other exam instructions after you have booked your slot. Please follow all the instructions carefully given in this file. On the day of the exam, you have to log into the Zoom link. The main room supervisor will send you into the breakout room, where your examiner will conduct your written and oral test. You need to click on Take the Test and the examiner will give you an exam code that will activate your test. After 2 to 4 weeks, you will get your results which will have the detailed performance report of how you have fared in every round and whether you have qualified for the next level or not. You will also get the certificate that you can download from your dashboard. You will get the information through email, but you can also see your results and certificates on your dashboard. If you have qualified, your dashboard will show you the payment link to register for the quarterfinals. You need to click on that link and subscribe to your learning resources that will be available for the quarterfinals and continue your journey. We look forward to seeing you at the Masters Spellers journey. Be a part of this wondrous journey of words with content from Oxford University Press. For any further queries, please feel free to reach out to us via email address.